Hello students, this is the fifth part of concept of compound angles. Today I am going to explain some more formula in compound angles like trigonometrical ratios for angles of the form a plus b plus c. Okay, means sin of a plus b plus c. How to expand sin of a plus b plus c, how to expand cos of a plus b plus c, how to expand tan of a plus b plus c, and so on. Okay, so here today's first formula, sin of a plus b plus c equal to sigma sin a into cos b cos c minus sin a sin b sin c. So how to remember sin of a plus b plus c? Sin of a plus b plus c is given as sigma of sin a into cos b into cos c minus sin a sin b sin c. Okay, so you know that the symbol about sigma and pi, this is for summation, this symbol is for product. Okay, for example, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 can be written as just x as suffix I with the sigma symbol, and I is taken from 1 to 5. Both give same meaning. Sigma xi, where I is equal to 1 to 5 means, so first of all you want to take I as a 1, x1, sigma saying that summation plus, instead of after I equal to 1 you want to take I equal to 2, x2 plus x3 plus x4 up to I taken as 5, xy. That is the meaning of sigma xi. Okay, so pi xi given, for example pi xi where I is equal to 1 to 3. So x1 into x2 into x3. Pi stand for product, sigma stand for summation. Okay, yeah, in a triangle ABC, what is the meaning of cos A? For example, sigma cos A. Sigma cos A in a triangle means first cos A plus cos B plus cos C. So A after B, B after C, C after again A, no need to write. So in a triangle ABC you have three angles ABC. That's why in a triangle sigma cos A means cos A plus cos B plus cos C. Okay, students, here sigma sin A into cos B into cos, some formula is given. How to expand sigma? First term as it is, nana, sin A into cos B into cos C, after that plus, so sin as it is, A is replaced by B into cos as it is, B replaced by C into cos as it is, C is replaced by A. Cyclic, in triangle ABC we have only three angles A, B, C. A replaced by B, B is replaced by A, C is replaced by B, and A replaced by C, like that. Plus, after sin B becomes now sin C, B replaced by C into cos C, C replaced by A into cos A replaced by B. Okay, if you write one more step, cos C, sin C means what? C replaced by A means sin A into A replaced by B means cos B into cos C. Already I wrote that one. That's why here only we need to stop. So the meaning of sigma sin A into cos B into cos C means sin A cos B cos C plus sin B cos C cos A plus sin C cos A cos B. Okay, students, important, nana. Short notations are important. Simply here given a short notation. Again I want to explain you that, yeah, what is sigma sin A cos B cos C. This containing actually three terms with addition. First term is sin A into cos B into cos C. In second term, A replaced by B, B replaced by C. What is this? C. C replaced by A. Next term, here, sin B replaced by C into is there, no, here, into C replaced by A cos A into A replaced by B cos B. So, sigma sin A cos B cos C means this, sin A cos B cos C plus sin B cos C cos A plus sin C into cos A into cos B. Okay, that I want to prove now. Students, listen students. Sin of A plus B plus C. So feel that this is some beta, say this is a alpha, just like sin of alpha plus beta. You know how to expand sin of alpha plus beta. Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Okay, sin alpha means A only, beta means I can write B plus C plus cos A into sin beta means B plus C. Okay students, again sin A into cos of B minus C, cos B cos C minus sin A sin B sin C, sin B sin C. Okay, plus cos A into sin of B plus C, sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. Now expansion, just expand Nana, equal to, yeah, I want to use another color, sin A into cos B into cos C minus sin A sin B sin C plus here student cos A sin B sin C, cos A sin B cos C plus cos A cos B sin C. So this is the expansion of sin of A plus B plus C. Observe now, this is the expansion of sin A plus B plus C. How to remember, that is important. So I will write again at last conclusion, at last equal to, yeah, first term, this one I want to write as it is, sin A cos B into cos C plus, next I want to write this term now. What is that? Cos A sin B cos C plus next this cos A cos B sin C minus sin A sin B sin C. So finally what I can write? What you got? How to remember, that is important. Sin of A plus B plus C is remembered as sigma sin A into cos B into cos C 1. Observe, instead of this term and this directly I can write sigma minus pi sin A. What is the meaning of pi sin A? Sin A into sin B into sin C 1. Pi means product, no? Sin A into sin B into sin C. Okay, so this is the formula of sin of A plus B plus C. Should remember. Okay. Next second one, cos of A plus B plus C equal to cos A cos B cos C minus sigma sin A sin B sin C. A plus B plus C. Same procedure, say this is alpha, this is beta. Cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, that is equal cos of alpha means A, cos of beta means B plus C sin A into sin of B plus C equal to cos A cos of B plus C, cos B cos C minus sin B sin C. Yeah, minus sin A into sin of B plus C, sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. Just now you want multiplication, cos A into cos B into cos C minus cos A into sin B into sin C minus sin A into sin B into cos C minus plus into minus sin A into cos B into sin C. Okay, now I want to conclude now here. Okay, students, listen now. Cos of A plus B plus C, remembered as first cos A into cos B into cos C. From remaining terms I can take minus common. After taking minus common, I will write here, after taking minus common, there will get plus, here plus and here bracket. Observe students, A, B, C are coming cyclically, and here sin is 2 terms and cos is 1 term. Means what I can say, sigma cos A into sin B into sin C. Okay, if you expand this, what I will get, none I will write here. If you expand that, what I will get, first term as it is, cos A into sin B into sin C plus next cos A becomes cos B, sin B becomes sin C into sin C becomes sin A. Understood? A, B, C like that cyclically. A instead of B you want to write A, instead of B you want to write C, instead of C you want to write A, like that cyclically. Plus cos B becomes cos C into sin C becomes sin A and sin A becomes sin B. See, observe, this same, no? Same. These two are same. See, here, this is here. No? Cos B, sin A, cos B here, sin A, cos B here. This is nothing but this. So finally, in this way you can remember the formula. I am finalizing, students, very, very, very important. I am finalizing. Okay, 2 formulae completed. IMP result. What is that? Sin of A plus B plus C. Second one is, first of all I will write this. Sigma first here. Sin A. Remaining 2 are cos. Cos B, cos C. Minus pi sin A. But cos of A plus B plus C remembered as first pi cos A into cos B to cos C minus sigma. What happened? Here 2 cos's, here 2 sines, means what happened? Cos A into sin B into sin C. So in this way you can remember sin of A plus B plus C and cos of A plus B plus C. Okay, students. Next I want tan of A plus B plus C formula here clearly given. Tan of A plus B plus C, sigma tan A minus pi tan A by 1 minus sigma tan A tan B. You should remember like that. So to define this result, so A comma B comma A plus B comma B plus C comma A plus B are not odd multiple of 90s, then only the formula is valid, because tan should define. Okay. Now tan of A plus B plus C expansion I want. So I want to take this is beta. Now I want to take this is alpha. So this is same as tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Okay students, which is same as tan alpha means tan A only, tan beta means tan of B plus C by 1 minus tan alpha means tan A only into tan of B plus C. Yeah, here are notes somewhat difficult for us. Okay, I will write in next ways clearly what we will get. So tan of A plus B plus C equal to tan A plus C here. Tan of B plus C means again tan of A plus B form I can use. Tan B plus tan C by 1 minus tan B into tan C. Okay. Whole divided by yeah 1 minus tan A into again tan of B plus C means what I can write here, tan B plus tan A by 1 minus tan B into tan C. Okay, now I want to take LCM in numerator denominator, that is 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B into tan C. This is LCM for 1 minus tan A into tan B into tan C, sorry. So what will get here, tan A times of 1 minus tan B into tan C plus tan B plus tan C. Numerator completed. Now denominator, sorry, no denominator, I want to write denominator. What is the again LCM is taken as 1 minus tan B into tan C. Okay, else after multiplying 1 minus tan B into tan C, okay, minus tan A into tan B plus tan C. Okay students, obviously I can cancel this with a condition tan A into tan C is not equal to 1. Okay, what we will get, I will write here, I don't want to use that color, tan of A plus B plus C equal to, here tan A into 1 tan A minus tan A into tan B into tan C. Okay, observe, after that tan B plus tan C plus tan B plus tan C. Okay, divided by I will show you what you got. So this one I will write 1 minus tan B into tan C minus here tan A into tan B, tan A into tan B minus tan A into tan C, tan A into tan C. So I will write it last neatly, Nana. Observe all of you. Final result, tan of A plus B plus C can be remembered as tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan, just I wrote T, but assume that that is tan A only, just I wrote Ta means tan A, tan B, tan C, divided by 1 minus, take minus comes for the 3, what will get, I will write tan A, first I will write this, tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A. after B after C, tan C into tan A. Okay. So this is the formula of tan of A plus B plus C. But sigma notation I want to use for that. That's why tan of A plus B plus C is remembered as tan A plus tan B plus tan C. I can write sigma tan A minus tan A into tan B tan C. Just I can write pi tan A by 1 minus sigma into tan A into tan B. That's all. You should remember like this, Nana. The formula should be remembered like this. Tan A of A plus B plus C equal to tan A minus sigma tan A minus pi tan A by 1 minus sigma tan A into tan B with condition. Okay. Similarly, cot of A plus B plus C with some conditions you can derive as sigma cot A minus pi cot A by 1 minus sigma cot A cot. Just like tan and cot both are giving same, Nana. Just instead of tan you write cot. What you will get? There is a formula of cot of A plus B plus C. You people can derive it. Okay. Listen students, what we discussed that is important. So here these are the first two results, sin of A plus B plus C, cos of A plus B plus C. After the tan of A plus B plus C and cot of A plus B. No need to derive for secant of A plus B plus C and cosecant of A plus B. By using these four results only you can solve the problems. Okay. Students, now I want to explain some more results, important results. In a triangle ABC, first result, sigma tan A equal to pi tan A. Result number 2, sigma cot A into cot B equal to 1. These two are very important results, students. Important. Any triangle ABC, sigma tan A equal to pi tan A. What is the meaning of that? First of all, I want to ask. Sigma tan A equal to pi tan A. The meaning of sigma tan A means what, Nana? Tan A plus tan B plus tan C only. Should be equal to pi tan A means tan A into tan B into tan C. Any triangle ABC, this will happen. Tan A into tan A plus tan B plus tan C is always equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. That should prove now. That is first result. Okay. Yeah. We know that tan of A plus B plus C equal to sigma tan A minus pi tan A by 1 minus sigma tan A into tan B. Okay. In triangle ABC, what is the A plus B plus C? Nana? A plus B pi 180 degree. So that's why tan of pi should be. So what I did, instead of A plus B plus C, I wrote pi equal to sigma tan A minus pi tan A by 1 minus sigma tan A into tan B. Okay, tan pi means what? 0 only. I will write next page. 0 equal to sigma tan A minus pi tan A by 1 minus sigma tan A into tan B. For example, A by B is equal to 0 means A must should 0 only. Then what happens? Just like A by B equal to 0 means what is the meaning of that? Therefore, sigma tan A minus pi tan A must should 0. What is the meaning of that? Sigma tan A equal to pi tan A means, therefore, in any triangle ABC, okay, what I can say? Tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Okay, any triangle. In a triangle PQR means what I can say, tan P plus tan Q plus tan R equal to tan A into tan P into tan P into tan Q into tan R only. So important result. Okay. Okay students, first one, in any triangle ABC, sigma tan A equal to pi tan A. So how I proved, that is interesting thing. Tan of A plus B plus C formula this, instead of A plus B plus I can write pi, tan pi 0 only, fraction 0, numerator function should 0, sigma tan A minus pi tan A equal to 0 means sigma tan A equal to pi tan A only. Okay. For second result, yeah, we know that cot of A plus B plus C equal to sigma cot A minus pi cot A by 1 minus sigma cot A into cot B. So cot pi, instead of A plus B plus C, I can write 180 degree or pi radian. That is sigma cot A minus pi cot A by 1 minus sigma cot A into cot B. Actually, cot pi not defined, that is cos pi by sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0, minus 1 by 0 not defined. Means what is the meaning of that? LHS is not defined. LHS is not defined. A fraction A by B is not defined means what is the meaning of that? B must should 0 only. Then only the fraction A by B not defined. So this fraction not defined means denominator must should 0. That I will write. So 1 minus sigma cot A into cot B must should 0 only. Then only, observe student, this is A, this is B, A by B form. Not defined means what is the meaning of that? B must should 0. Means 1 minus sigma cot A into cot B must should 0. Therefore 1 equal to sigma cot A into cot B. This is very important result, Dana. In any triangle, sigma cot A into cot B equal to 1, or another words I can say that sigma cot A cot B means what? Cot A into cot B plus cot B into cot C plus cot C into cot A equal to 1. So this happens in any triangle ABC. So interesting problem, students, important model. To solve these problems, we need some tools. We need concept. I wanted that concept. Okay. Always should remember that cot theta minus tan theta is remembered as 2 cot 2 theta. Should remember this. Okay, I will prove it. That is not a big problem. Take LHS. Cot theta minus tan theta equal to cos theta by sin theta minus sin theta by cos theta. There sin theta into cos theta LCM, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, next page I will write cos square theta minus sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Actually, cos square theta minus sin square theta means cos 2 theta formula in multiple and submultiple angles, but not started. So another way I will prove that cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to cos 2 theta. Similarly, 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. Nana. These two formulas will come in next chapter. So another way I will prove. So what I am doing here, multiplying 2 and dividing with the 2. Okay. 2 into, cos square a minus sin square means cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Okay. Plus 2 cos a, 2 sin a cos means sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b, no. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Already established facts, no? Cos square a minus sin square a equal to cos of, b I will write. Cos square a minus sin square is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. And 2 sin a cos b is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Already I proved these two results. Okay, students. 2 times of theta plus 2 theta cos 2 theta into theta means at 0 cos 0 1 only by theta plus 2 theta sin 2 theta plus 0 means 0 sin 0 0 1. So finally what I got, 2 cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. Cos theta by sin theta, cot theta only, no? What I got, 2 cot theta. 2 cot 2 theta. I will show you, students. What I got, 2 cot 2 theta. That only, no? Cot theta plus tan theta. What I got, 2 cot 2 theta. Very, very important result. Very, very important result. Now I want to take RHS. 2 tan 40 plus 2 times of 2 tan 10. 2 tan 40 plus 2 into 2 cot 80 I can write. Yeah, tan 10 can be written as tan of 90 minus 80, that is cot 80 only. So 2 tan 40 degree plus 2 into, according to this, 2 cot 2 theta, 2 cot 2 theta, 2 into 40. So 2 times of this can be written as cot 40 minus tan 40. Cot 40 minus tan 40, just now I proved. So this is plus 2 cot 40 minus 2 tan 40. Already here 2 tan 40 is there. These two get cancelled. Finally what I got, 2 cot 40. Okay, what is this? This is RHS, RHS. Again 2 cot 40 can be written as 2 cot 2 into 20. According to previous formula, this is cot 20 minus tan 20. Okay, cot 20 means cot of 90 minus 70 minus this can be written as it is tan 20 only, don't disturb. Cot of 90 minus theta, tan theta, so what I can say, tan 70 minus tan 20, this only the LHS. Okay, see LHS.